Hello my friends, how are you doing today? I'm Raman, your Ielts expert. क्या आप लॉकडाउन की वजह से अपनी IELTS प्रिपरेशन के लिए कंसर्न है? टाइम वेस्ट मत कीजिए, आज ही डाउनलोड कीजिए IELTS कोचिंग एप्लीकेशन और परचेज कीजिए लॉकडाउन सीरीज क्रैश कोर्स डिजाइन बाय मी। मेरे साथ पढ़िए, मैं आऊंगा आपके घर में, आपके मोबाइल के अंदर आपको पढ़ाने और इंश्योर करूंगा यू अचीव गुड बैंड्स इन द IELTS स्कोर। ये कोर्स है टोटली ट्यूटोरियल बेस्ड, 24/7, जब चाहे पढ़े, अपने पेस पे पढ़े। इसमें रीडिंग, लिसनिंग, राइटिंग, स्पीकिंग ऑल मॉड्यूल्स कवर हैं, प्लस यू विल गेट ग्रामर, वोकैबुलरी, फ्री रीडिंग टेस्ट सीरीज। आपको और क्या चाहिए? Each and everything is well explained. There are tips and tricks, there are samples, formats, everything that you need related to IELTS preparation. आज ही इस कोर्स को बाय कीजिए. Don't waste the opportunity. Hundreds of users from all different parts of the world have purchased this course and they have shared their reviews as well that you can read in the comment section or watch few of my videos in which I have shared their reviews. Well, the course is available at a very reasonable price of 2,100 only, and purchase it before the price goes up. This is the last chance for you to purchase it at this price till the 15th of June. Then you would have to pay a higher price. So better you buy this course right now.
Hello guys, my name is Amit Mehra from Faridabad, Haryana. Currently I am working in Vadodara, Gujarat. Guys, I am not a YouTuber, I am not a storyteller, but I am making this video to drag your attention on one application called IELTS Coaching, which is run by Mr. Raman. Guys, you won't believe, before this lockdown period I couldn't even speak due to my lack of confidence. But then I was in big dilemma that should I go for coaching classes outside or I should take a help from internet like YouTube or Google. But then suddenly, unfortunately, I came about this application and came about Ramandeep sir YouTube channel. Then I started following him, and I must say people spend 5,000, 10,000 and many more for the coaching classes outside. But here you will get all the benefits in very cheap price, guys. So I must say you should not lose this opportunity. So please grab it.